Ladies and gentlemen, gather round, because today we're diving deep into the untapped potential of YouTube for building lasting, impactful passive income. I'm your guide on this journey, your name, the founder of M.R.A. Passive Income Playbook. This isn't a fairy tale spun by sugar-coated gurus. It's a reality check, backed by the wisdom of Warren Buffett. We're playing the long game, building passive income brick by brick, fueled by genuine passion and unwavering grit. Scaling the heights of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours might feel like navigating Everest in flip-flops. Doubts linger, views flow slower than molasses, and negativity is a constant companion. But here's the beauty, this is where resilience blossoms. You don't crumble at the first stumble, you rise, learn, and climb like a mountain goat fueled by the fire in your belly. So, why YouTube? It's not just an opportunity, it's a revolution waiting to unfold. Picture this, YouTube is on the brink of doubling its viewership, and that means double the opportunity for creators like you to carve out your niche and claim your spot in the YouTube world. This isn't just about chasing clicks, it's about sharing knowledge, imparting lessons, and sparking inspiration in others. You, the passionate beginners, are seeking your slice of financial freedom. Remember, the only limit is the one you set in your mind. So go forth, unleash your inner creator, and make YouTube your masterpiece. You, the side hustlers, dream of escaping the 9-to-5 grind. You, the creators, have stories to tell and voices waiting to be heard. But remember, passive income on YouTube transcends the clickbait dollar. It's about the knowledge you share, the lessons you've learned, and the spark you ignite in others. Let's build a community, a tribe of support where struggles are met with helping hands, wins celebrated like fireworks, and stories flow like a mighty river. This isn't a solo act, it's a symphony. Every comment, like, and subscriber note adds to the harmony. Hit that subscribe button, spread the word like wildfire, and join the M.R.A. movement.